Hello developers. Previous session I was explaining template driven forms. So now I am explaining about reactive forms. We have in template driven forms we are using ng model. In reactive forms we can use please check this video without skipping. So first step we need to enter reactive forms module so that all the pre-built decorators and everything will work by using this reactive forms module. Second step, for grabbing only this input value we can give form control name. Name and surname I am taking, and whenever we click on this submit button, these two values I want to grab, so that I am taking form group. So that we can go to TS file. Here I am taking constructor inside. I am using form builder. I am taking this form builder is a library. It will grab all form related information. I am assigning to one variable. That form builder I am importing. See here form builder. Then inside this dot fp dot group So that name and surname. These two I am assigning to one variable. That variable name I am giving to input data. So that we need to take this variable here. Now we need to assign and form group. After that, inside this method, input values method, I can access this input data. Now we can run. Here, form group, we have form controls. Inside form control, we have value empty, but I was added names. We can check here once. Type we can mention any. Now we can check. Mistake is this is form group. Form group we need to kept in braces so that property binding will work. Now we can check. Inside form we have value, name, surname, whatever data I was added. If you observe everything here, see we have invalid, untouched, valid, validators. Based on these, that disabled, enabled, restrain, root, status. everything we have. Based on this, we can do error handling. Means, for example, in email application, whenever we enter email, like if we did not enter any @gmail.com, it will provide error. Based on these invalid and valid, we can add those type of error handlings. And we have some methods also available: events, errors, control. Inside form control, we have value changes, on changes, touched. These all available. So if I want to access only values, dot value we can give. The only values came. If I want to grab only name, here we can give value dot name. Or if I want only surname, dot surname we can give. Like this way we can grab all the details. This is all about reactive forms. If you have any doubts in this video, please comment me. I will respond. If you like this video, please share and subscribe so that some more people will learn this concept. Thank you.